Okay, here's what you're looking at. One freestyle prototype, 30 style CS prototypes minus the tweezers, but they're all new. 3 crunches, one 154 cm, one Skeletal silver, one Skeletal CX graphite, one Super Tool 300 black oxide, 2 Super Tool 200s, one charge aluminum, 2 titanium charges, one Wave 25th anniversary, one C33L 25th anniversary, 31 PS4s, and one, I have no idea what it is. I know it's a Leatherman, but there's no name on it. I've never seen it anywhere else. And I'm going to show you all of these. And the reason that I'm showing you these, okay, I've written this down so I don't miss anything. This video is a request about a dozen or so hardcore Leatherman collectors. They wanted to see some prototypes I have, as well as some of the older models and so on. So here are a few, including one that I'm not sure what I got, where I got it, or what it is. 95% of these have never even been opened up other than to look at them. I got the majority of them in trading and bartering. As I will again. About 30 are coming from Bromley, England very soon, I hope. These will be coming from a guy that most of you are probably subscribed to already. Some of these have minor nicks and scratches on the outside, but are not even noticeable. I've run out of room in my closets and drawers, and I'm looking to find someone who will put them to use. If you're a collector or you want to try to buy or sell for profit, contact me only if you're serious, please. I'm not looking to part them out. The postage would eat me alive. I'm looking to move the entire load of 76 multi-tools and 3 sheaths. This includes 30 of the prototype freestyles without the tweezers, 2 25th anniversary tools, and one that I have no idea. Plus the rest shown and listed. I have a price in mind, but if you're serious, make me an offer and we'll go for that. We'll go from there. If we agree upon a price, we'll make arrangements to get these into your possession. Okay, these are the PS4s. Bunch of black, bunch of red, a few blue. Here's the one. I'll open it up in a minute. A couple 200s, the aluminum charge, the titanium 25th anniversary, another 25th anniversary, a hunting knife, the graphite, the silver, black oxide, 3 sheaths. This one is not included. This one's already promised to somebody. This is a prototype, but I'm going to show it to you. 3 charges, 3 crunches, and then all of these are prototypes. I'll show you what's different about them in a second here. Okay, one by one. This is one of the 25th anniversary. It's just a single blade, and then you got the clip here. Push it in, push it down, lock blade. This is the other 25th anniversary. It's a Wave. Here's what I mean about the minor nicks. See, it's hard to see, but it's a few minor nicks. 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, it's a regular Wave. The titanium charge. The gut hook. This is the hunting model. Very sharp, pretty thick blade. Some notches here. It's got the one blade. And it's got the gut hook. But it's also got this here. Comes out the diamond sharpener. the aluminum charge. Minor nicks. I think this is the worst one out of all of them. Two of the 200s. Older tools, but these are brand new. When Customs brought them in from England, the box was totally destroyed, beat up. I don't know how many got lost on the way, but they were coming out the sides. That's how the nicks got put in them. Now this one, it says Super Tool 300, but it's got a lot of the pieces that the Mutt have. It's got the interchangeable jigsaw blade, the pin for working on an AR-15, M16, screwdriver, saw, okay, this is one of the prototypes. It's pretty much just like the ones you can buy, except for it's a fixed blade, meaning the screwdriver, you got your Phillips and your regular all in one. It's not interchangeable. Like I say though, this one is not in the deal. This one's already promised to somebody. Two sheaths plus a Mutt sheath. 3 of these crunches. If you're not familiar with the crunches, a lot of people are not. They're vice grip. Vice grip, wire cutters, pliers. Inside, you've got your blade. Regular screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, small screwdriver, and a file, and a scraper. The crunch. 3 of those. You've all seen the PS4s. Okay. SP4, I'm sorry. No, PS4. Pliers, wire cutters, and all the tools. These are pretty much standard. Here's the prototype style. You notice it's got a cutout instead of a nail nick. I'm not sure where the guy over there in England, where he got these from, but he sent me a bunch. You got the wire, you got the scissors, the blade with the notch, not the nail nick, but the notch, screwdriver, nail file, and of course your bottle opener. All of them are missing the tweezers. I don't know if he still has them, he forgot to put them in, he lost them, I'm not sure. But they will be coming without the tweezers. Okay, and here's the one, oh wait, the silver. See, they came slippery from the oil, but get your Phillips, flip it over and you get the regular, and then you got the one with the graphite, Skeletal CX. This is a nice one. Razor sharp. Your bottle opener. Great set of needle nose. They make another one without this, but I only have one of those. It's my personal one. And here's the one. This one's weird. Okay, it's Leatherman. It's got a couple. I'm not sure what happened here and here, or here and here. But I keep it because I've never seen another like it. You got your scissors. Your blade. Scale. Fingernail cleaner. File. Your bottle opener and large screwdriver. Your small screwdriver and your Phillips. Your really small screwdriver. But then look at this. A diagonal set of tweezers. I tried finding this online and I've had no luck. Maybe some of you know what it is, but there's no name on it other than Leatherman tool. Could it be the only one of its kind? If so, it's too bad it's got these nicks. They're like grind marks. And of course I almost forgot the core. It's the core. It's a pretty big bulky knife. Tool. It's got all the standard tools. This one's the core. Okay, there you have it. All of these tools. I'm hoping to get rid of them all in one package. If you're interested, let me know. If there's something you want that's not here, I've got a whole nother box coming in from Bromley, England. Probably this week or next. I think the guy said there's 28 or 33. I'm not sure. Anyway, serious only, please. Like I said, I'm not looking to piece them out. I'm looking to get rid of them all in one. If you're local, hey, great. I'll bring them to you. But if you're overseas or somewhere, perhaps we can work something out.